Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a spinning Killbrick in Roblox Studio. First, you're going to get two parts just like this, and then you're going to go into Model, and then over here where it says Create, click on Hinge, click on one platform, and go to the other. You're going to want to name the one with the attachment and the hinge constraint to spinning part, and the other one the anchor. Then you're going to put them right next to each other, put them in the air, make sure the anchor is anchored and invisible. Then click on the hinge constraint, scroll down till you see actuator type, change the actuator type to motor, and then go down to motor and change the angular velocity to 3. Keep that middle value at infinity, and then make the last value, the motor max torque, a very high number. Then I'm going to paste in my Killbrick script. As you can see here, is pretty normal. And then what we're going to do is click play here, and it should be working as intended. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube and join our Discord. Thank you.